Go ahead and edit up this video. I forgot to make intro. I got a part, kind of like a two-part video. And I didn't make an intro to either of them. So I'm gonna go ahead and start in there. When I did like a little food challenge, I recorded it. I was drunk, didn't go as planned, and I wanted to go ahead and just start in there anyways. I'm gonna go ahead and try to do a few little more like that. Maybe a different spot, because I went to McDonald's and it was not it. And tried for like 3 spicy chickens. I have 4 medium fries, Big Mac, cookies, 40 chicken nuggets. I only got like half of everything. I finished the Big Mac, finished 2 McChickens, finished 3 of the fries, finished 2 cookies, and I had like 20 chicken nuggets left and a McChicken and a fry left. I just couldn't do it. And next time I'll probably fast if I'm gonna try it, because that was not the move. It was just, it wasn't going smooth. So I went ahead and ordered some stuff off Amazon and set up a little home office for myself and Babe, so we could go ahead and have access to a workspace where we could come in our room, get away from the kids, whatever, and just be able to focus and just kind of do us, you know. So, you know.
Video your food first?
Very good. You guys should get different ones. I'm only halfway through this thing, and I didn't even do an intro. I kind of got a headache, so I was just stoned out. So we doing I'm doing a food eating challenge. It's from McDonald's. I ordered 3 spicy meat chickens, 4 medium fries, 30 McNuggets, a Big Mac, and I got 2 cookies. And I'm halfway through, but we're only like 10 minutes into it. But I'm pretty scared, but I'm gonna knock this out. So I stacked 2 McChickens. I didn't get no mayonnaise on any of the McChickens. And then I said, screw the last bread. And Big Mac gone, half chicken nuggets, 2 fries gone. We're doing it. This is a lot of food. I wasn't expecting it to be much, but it's a lot of food, man. I thought, oh yeah, that's easy, bro. This is not easy. Alright, then y'all, so I went ahead and got myself a few puzzles. Got some books so I can start expanding my knowledge, you know. And some LED lights, keyboard. I ordered a mouse too, but it hasn't came in yet. Right now, I got a few more things I'm gonna be ordering over the next couple days, and I'll keep you guys updated. This is how it's looking so far. So went ahead and put some lights underneath. Put lights around the walls. For the next few weeks, couple months. So there's a few of the books I went ahead and got. So I got Expert Secrets, The Art of Resilience, Zen and the Art of Happiness, Start with Your Why. Got the Compound Effect, Psycho-Cybernetics, and Predictably Irrational. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to go start reading all these through first of the year and just kind of expand myself a bit, get out of my comfort zone. So that'll be it, guys. So, you know, I just wanted to change it up a little bit. So like, subscribe, comment, you know the deal. Thank y'all for watching.